Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we have Italian recipe, pasta with zucchini, ham and cheese with a delicious garlic bread. All ingredients below in my info box. Here I have the boiling water where I'm going to add a couple of pieces of garlic. Then I'm gonna be adding the pasta, salt, and let it cook until the pasta is cooked. In a pan, add vegetable oil, and right here I have the zucchini, cheese, and ham. And right now I'm gonna be adding the zucchini to the pan, and I will season with salt and black fresh pepper. Mix everything, and you can use a bit of water where the pasta is cooking if you want. And when the zucchini is half cooked, we will remove it and keep it aside just for a few minutes. In the same pan, add butter until it melts. Here I have flour and milk. With this, we are going to prepare a bechamel sauce. When the butter has completely melted, we will add the flour and we are gonna stir quickly until the mixture is like you watch on the video. Now let's add the milk and continue stirring. And when the sauce has this consistency, it's perfect to add the zucchini, cheese, and ham. And mix everything together. And if you see that the sauce is very thick, just add more water from the pasta, or you can add milk if you want. Guys, look how is the consistency of my sauce. It's perfect. Now we have to wait when the pasta is ready to serve. Meanwhile, we are going to prepare garlic bread. We're gonna need the bread, butter, salt, garlic powder, and oregano. And we're gonna mix everything and place it on the bread. And right here I have oregano, just a sprinkle on the top. And put aside until we are ready to toast them. Now I'm adding the pasta on my sauce with zucchini, ham and cheese. And right now it's time to toast our garlic bread. And this is the final result, guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends and family, give me thumbs up, and she's my dog. Her name is Candy. She's my coton de Tuliar. She always stays with me when I have my food ready to serve. She has her own videos every Saturday, so stay tuned. See you next time, guys. Bye bye.